Look at three things you need to know. Our summer-like heat, as Jane just mentioned, holds on for the day today. We'll be reaching the low to maybe mid-90s. Today could be a couple degrees warmer than yesterday. Now, the weekend's going to be mainly dry, but there will be a few rain chances. Maybe during the midday and afternoon hours on Saturday as a weak frontal boundary sweeps in, but it's really late Sunday into Monday of next week that the pattern turns a little bit more active. We'll see a couple waves of moisture moving in along a cold front that's going to be pretty slow moving across the area. We're ranging from the upper 50s temperature-wise right now in Mount Sterling and Hazard to the low to mid 60s elsewhere. We fell to around 64 here in Lexington. Could get as cool as 63, 64, but we'll be warming up this afternoon. Mid 80s by lunchtime, low 90s during the afternoon. And if you're heading to high school football this evening, it's going to be pretty warm out there as well. Viper radar, this is dry. This is just some low-level moisture being picked up by both Jackson's and the Louisville radar. But as you look to our north and our west, here's this weak little frontal boundary. It's not going to drop our temperatures, obviously. We're still expecting the heat this weekend, but it may just provide enough lift to fire up a shower or storm during the midday and afternoon hours tomorrow. Futurecast, I think, shows that chance pretty well. Today, though, mainly dry, mid 80s by lunchtime, maybe even already in the upper 80s by 1 or 2 o'clock. And then during the rest of the afternoon, low 90s looking more likely under mostly sunny skies to a mix of the clouds and sunshine later on. Here comes that front out of the north and the west. Again, may see a sprinkle or two to begin your day on Saturday. But here are a couple of those pop-up showers and storms. Very isolated, not too much to worry about, but still something that could be possible there for your day on Saturday. It's still going to be hot, though, upper 80s to the low 90s for most of the area. Saturday night into Sunday, we drop the temperatures into the 60s once again. And then later in the day on Sunday, here comes some more rain from our west, and that will start to increase those rain chances by early next week. And notice the temperatures start to drop as well. Monday into Tuesday, we may struggle to hit 80 degrees on Tuesday with some rain around. So here's a look at the setup. One front passes through just to our west on Sunday. Notice how that may fire up a late day shower or a storm. So I've upped the rain chance to 30% on Sunday. Monday, another area of low pressure kind of develops along the cold front. That's going to bring us another round of rain potential late Monday into Tuesday. Then as you head into Wednesday, notice how this front's really going nowhere. We're still getting some moisture riding right along that cold front. And then to complicate things even further, front is still kind of stalled out. Notice Thursday into Friday, models continue to hint at a tropical system moving through the Gulf of Mexico, and that could influence our weather pattern late next week into next weekend. Rain chances over the next 5 days, though, showing it's really Monday into Tuesday that we start to increase the rain threat across the region. For today, though, mostly sunny with that summer-like heat continuing. Tonight, we fall into the upper 60s, mostly clear and unseasonably warm tonight. Less in terms of the low 60s, more mid to upper 60s tonight. Looking ahead at your full 7-day forecast, heading out early Saturday to tailgate. Most locations will be dry, but again, can't rule out that isolated shower or storm. Fall officially begins on Sunday, though it won't be feeling like it until you head into next week as those temperatures start to drop a bit.